Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to change password in Venmo. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, to change password in your Venmo account, all you need to do is simply tap open a web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.venmo.com to get logged in into your account. So once you're logged in into your account, you'll end up in this page where all you need to do now is simply tap on the settings option on the left hand side of the screen. So once you tap on the settings option, you will end up in this kind of interface where all you need to do is simply tap on the change password option. Once you do this, you will have this interface on your screen. So now simply type in your current password, your new password, and retype your new password for confirmation and hit the next button. Once you do this, your password on your Venmo account will be changed. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.